Welcome to Artwork, Art Home, Art Stories, and Art Education. In this video, I am providing explanation about painters and paintings. Today, we will talk about Francis Maurer's Eyeglass. Francis Maurers was a prominent Spanish painter known for his captivating portrayals of Burgoyne's life and execute realism. Born in Spain, Millers is celebrated for his ability to capture the essence of his time through meticulous attention to detail, skillful use of light and shadow, and his deep understanding of human emotion and social context. Francis Merles was born into a cultured family in Valencia, where he was exposed to the arts from an early age. His father was a well known lawyer, and his mother had a keen interest in painting, which likely influenced young Francis' artistic inclination. Recognizing his talent, his parents encouraged him to pursue a career in the arts. In his youth, Merlers showed remarkable aptitude for drawing and painting, which led to his formal education at the Real Academia de Bellas Arts de San Carlson in Valencia. In pursuit of further honing his skill, Millers moved to Barcelona where he continued his studies at the Écoles de l'Art, an important art institution. His talent soon became apparent and he was awarded a scholarship to study in Paris, the epicenter of the art world in the 19th century. Paris was transformative for Murals. He arrived in the city during a period of artistic revolution, with movements such as Impressionism and Realism gaining prominence, although he was influenced by the avant-garde movements of his time. Murals maintained a unique style that leaned more towards realism. In Paris, he became associated with other expert Spanish artists and made connection with French painters who shared his interest in depicting everyday life. He frequently visited the Louvre, studying the work of the old masters, which greatly influenced his techniques and approach to painting. During this period, Millers developed a fascination with depicting Burgoyne's life, a theme that would dominate his work throughout his career. He was particularly adept at capturing the elegance and grace of the Persian bourgeois, often portraying themes in intimate settings such as saloon, gardens, or cafes. His paintings from his period are characterized by a scene of refinement and subtlety with an emphasis on light, texture, and mood. Francis Miller's artistic style is often categorized within the realm of realism, but his work also incorporates elements of romanticism and early impressionism. He had an exceptional ability to depict the newness of light and shadow, which he used to create depth and texture in his painting. His brushwork was precious yet called convey a scene of softness and fluidity, making his subjects appear light and dynamic. One of the hallmarks of Miller's work is his focus on the private, serene moment of Burgoy's life. Unlike some of his contemporaries, whose might have focused on grand historical or religious themes, Miller's was interested in the everyday portraits of women, reading, children playing, or families enjoying a quiet afternoon. These scenes are often imbued with a scene of calm and introspection, reflecting the tranquil, prosperous lifestyle of his subject. Miller's painting often featured the fashionable women of his time, capturing their grace and beauty with a scene of realism that was both flattering and the true of life. His portraiture was in high demand among the bourgeois who appreciated his ability to portray theme in a positive, natural manner. In the latter years of his career, Miller's returned to Barcelona where he continued to paint and exhibited his work. Despite his success, his life was marked by personal difficulties, including health problems that eventually led to his premature death in 1901. However, his glassy endured through his paintings, which continue to be admired for their technical excellence and emotional depth. Francis Merliers is remembered as a master of capturing the quiet elegance of Bourdieu's life. His paintings offer a window into the social fabric of this time, providing insight into the lives of the middle and upper classes in late 19th century Europe. Today his works are held in various private collections and museums such as the Museo d'Arte Catrioni, where they continue to be appreciated for their beauty. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe my channel and share my video with family and friends and everyone.